Hello kids, today we will draw a cute honeybee. So let's start. First draw the honeybee head. Draw a big circle, but make it like a head. Make the head big in the paper, like this. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Draw a round circle and draw a little curvy in front. Well done, it's looking very great. Now draw the body. Draw a long curved line like this. Draw it in an angle. Make the body big as well. Good job, now draw the honeybee sting. Draw a cone shape and make it pointed. Look how cute it's looking. Well done, now draw the honeybee wings. Draw a long curved line and draw it like this. Good job now draw the other wing also. Do the same thing, and it will look very cute. Make the wing a little smaller. Well done, now draw a little wing on the upper side also. Look how lovely it's looking. Now draw the honeybee hand. Draw a curved line, then make a round circle. Now draw the line and connect it like this. Lastly, erase the extra line and it's done. Now draw the other hand also. Do the same thing. First draw a curved line, then draw a circle. Look, we complete the hand. Now draw the honeybee antenna. It's very easy to draw the antenna. Just draw it like you draw the hand. Draw the curved line, then make the round circle. Don't forget to erase the extra line. Now draw the other antenna also. Do the same thing like the first antenna. Draw the curved line, then make the round circle. To make it more beautiful, draw some curved line inside the honeybee body. Draw some curved line equally, like this. You can draw many lines inside the body. Make the line big and equal. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Lastly, draw the honeybee face. First draw the eyes. Draw the round circle and slowly fill the color. Well done, now draw the other eye also. Draw the round circle and slowly fill the color. Now draw a small curvy line and make the eyebrow. Lastly, draw a cute and happy smile. Good job, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First color the honeybee head. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Don't color the outline and carefully fill the color. You can also use different colors and make your own creation. I'm using yellow color but you can use different colors if you want. Just color up and down, and look how cute it's looking. Now color the honeybee body. Color only one part of the body. Carefully fill the color, and don't make any mistake. Color one part, and leave the other part. Color step by step, and it will look very cute. Well done, look how beautiful it's looking. Now use gray color, and color the rest part of the body. Color carefully, and don't make any mistake. Color all part of the body. Just color slowly, and it will look very beautiful. Let's count how many we color. 1, 2, and 3. Well done, now let's color the honeybee wings. Use sky blue color, and carefully fill the color. Color the small wing, then color the big one. Color the outline first, then slowly fill the color. Color round and round. Round and round, and it's done. If you color the outline first, then you will not make any mistake. Good job, it's looking very great. Now use brown color and color the antenna. Color only inside the antenna. It's very thin part, so color carefully. Well done, now color the honeybee hand. Color the hand just like this. Color slowly in the thin part, and it's done. Lastly, use brown color and color the honeybee sting. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Lastly, use white color and make the eye shiny. Draw some circle on both eyes. Now draw some curved line on the wings. Draw the line and make it shiny. Good job, we complete the drawing. Look how cute and lovely the honeybee is looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.